Aha! I just realized I forgot an important thing on the board. What is that? 9 black dots, right? It's called the star location. Okay, so it will be here and here and here. Okay, so it's the location is 0 1 2 3, so 3 and 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, 4 9 and here is 18, so 15. Okay, so let's do it. Let's draw the first one. Okay, so we can put it here like UI Bezier pass. We use a circle, right? So point, let's do like the first one 0 was, yes, 3 times, oh no, it'll be origin x plus 3 times side, right? Y, same thing, origin y plus side, radius, yeah, it's up to us. And oh, we can use proportional, right? Proportional length of the side. So maybe let's do let's put a like side like 1/5 of it. Okay, so side divided by 5. Start angle 0, of course, 2 pi, right? 2 cg float pi dot pi. And clockwise doesn't matter, true. Okay, so dot fill like that. Let's run it. Is it too big or too small? Oh, it's okay. It's not make it even smaller, I think. Or we can increase this one. Like, what about 29? Is it too big? No. Oh, it can be 30 something, I think. So let's put this one 20. Here I guess we can do 30, 31. It's not very well balanced. Let's do 60, and this one even bigger. Okay, I think it's fine. So we can make this guy smaller, because if it's too big, you will be confused with the stone, right? The pieces. We have a black stone and white stone now. So I think this one, let's do 7 here. Is it big enough so we can spot it, right? Yeah, very good. So the next one is here. What is this number? 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, it's 9. So we need to right, to put something in the location of 3 9. So you see the delta, right? The delta of them, the difference between them is 6. So we need to, the next one will go to 9 plus 6, so it will be 15. Is it okay? So 15 should be here. 15, 16, 17, 18, right? The 18th location, starting from 0. Totally 19 lines. Cool. So now a little bit math, or like mapping. How can we, let's do something like that. Okay, we want to write a for loop, right? So if right, the iterator I, right, maps to what? So if I is 0, we get yeah, we get, right, 3. I is 1, we get 9. That's what we need, right? 2 will loop 3 times to get the 3 black dots out. So how can we think about that? So you can pause the video. Very important to figure out this. This is like challenging for your mindset. What is the expression here? Like I plus something, or I times something, or I plus something and times something. How can we get this value? Right? Using an expression of I, right? A function of I to get this out. So let's check the delta. Delta is 6, so it must be I times 6, but not yet, right? So if this one I is 0, it will be 3, but here is 0, so easy, 3 plus that. So figure out the pattern. That first, the delta is 6, so every step, right, it will increase by 6. So now let's double check. 0, yes, 3 plus 0 times 6 is 3. 1, so when I is 1, 3 plus 1 times 6, yes, it's 9. 2, 3 plus 2 times 6, right? 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus that is 15. Cool. So now we can use it in here. For loop I here, oh, I forgot, yeah, here is 0 dot dot less than 3, right? 0 1 2, it means 0 1 2. Okay, now let's put it in, cut and paste. So we will increase x, right? Here x, this location, and that location. So instead of 3, we'll use this. We'll use this expression here for all of them, right? And yeah, we need to CG float them, otherwise Xcode will complain, right? Why not yet? Oh yeah, okay, run it. Cool, right? So can we do something like that? Yeah, that's good. That okay. So if you like, we can separate that to make it easier to check all the different parameters here. Yeah. So can we do this? Replace the 3 at that? Do you think this will put all the 9 dots out there? Let's try. Surprise, right? You should play with that, right? Until you completely understand what happened here. So let's double check, right? Let's run it in our mind. So we'll enter the for loop here. Like the first time I is 0, so it will be 3, right? 3 sides. Origin x plus 3 times side, right? Here, same thing. Oh, yeah. When I is 0, it's 3. So it means 3, 3. It will be here. Yeah, it will be here. Here. The next time, when I is 2, right? 1, sorry. When I is 1, it will be, so this guy like what we discussed before, right? 1, it will be 9, so 9 9 here. Okay, so it means no, we cannot do that. Yeah, so now run it. What we need to do is we need to repeat the whole thing 3 times, right? So let's make a copy of that. This time it will be 9, right? Here, run it. Yeah, the second row of 3 dots. Okay, now we need another row. Okay, so here will be 15. Run it. You see, cool, right? But wait a minute, we duplicate, right? We duplicate a lot of code. The only difference, right, among those 3 blocks of code is here. The only difference is 3, 9, 15, and it follows a pattern like that. Okay, so what can we do with that? We can add another, so we can comment out this, and we can put another for loop like that, but this time we cannot use, because we'll put this one inside, right, the new for loop, so we cannot use I because it will conflict with the other I. Here same thing, 0 dot 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 less than 3. Now we can cut and paste it here. So this time we can replace this guy using something like that, but not exactly same. We'll use I there, we'll use J there. Sorry about that. Okay, not I, J, right? So it means this the whole thing, right? This represent a row of 3 dots. Then we'll repeat 3 times. It means we'll get 3 rows of them. Now run it. Yeah, so clean up. So before I clean up this part, okay, take a close look of that. Okay, this is very, very important. You have to be familiar with that. You have to laugh with this, right? The mapping, this is the math. This is like a function, right? We say fi, right? F of I is like that, 3 plus I times 6. That's a mapping, right, from one argument to the value of their function. Okay, enough for the math. Let's clean up. So yeah, that's it. Run it. That's great. So that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.